Good morning, everyone. I am in North Myrtle Beach. I'm headed down the Grand Strand. I'll show you some incredible footage I took this morning of the beach, the sunrise. And I lived here for almost 4 years. I was stationed here at Myrtle Beach Air Force Base when it was open back in 1987. Till 1991. In fact, I discharged from this Air Force Base. So I'm going down to the Air Force Base now. It's closed, but to see how much things have changed. I've been told that it has an entirely different look to it, landscape. So I'll be checking it out and checking out other areas here in Myrtle Beach while I'm down here. Approaching where the main gate should be, or was, when I was stationed here. Over to the right, you can see the old flight line. All right, so turning down this road would be the old Myrtle Beach Air Force Base access road, and there was a gate here, so I see the gate is no longer there. See an old A10 over there to the right. Let me turn in here. These were some of the aircraft that were here at the base. The A10, and there's a very good chance that I actually worked on this one. This is different. They have an area here, nice little park area where a person can come out here and sit and watch the aircraft land and take off, if you're into that kind of thing. Benches out there. I see a few people sitting out there. There's an aircraft taxiing onto the runway. This is so different. These houses weren't here. It's all new. They even look relatively new. But then again, this is no longer an Air Force base. I remember the area up ahead and to the right. There was a theater, a small BX or exchange over there. And I see There's a sign over there that says cinema, so I suppose they've either refurbished it, but yeah, right over here to my right. I don't recognize this anymore. You know, we're talking, what, since 1991. It's a long time ago. But back in the day, Myrtle Beach Air Force Base was a choice assignment. I was fortunate to get the assignment. Having done 2 tours, Minot, North Dakota, and a tour for a year in Iceland. I guess the Air Force felt it's time to send this guy to some warmer climates. So about 3 years, Castle Air Force Base in Merced, California. That was nice. This base, Myrtle Beach Air Force Base, Panama, for 3 years. So they sort of compensated for those cold climate assignments. And if you continue down this road, you would end up going out the back gate. This is where base housing was, and I can see that a lot of these houses are relatively new, something totally different, yet familiar.